Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another awesome weapon from Fortnite, and this time it's going to be the tactical shotgun. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to draw the middle section first and with the grip. So we're just going to draw one kind of like a rectangle, but it's going to be slightly longer on this side. On the bottom. Okay, and then the trigger is going to be down here. So we're going to work down to the trigger. So we're just going to draw a little square kind of slant. And then we're going to continue this part, just curve it a little bit. That's just a little bit of detail in there. And then here, draw in a box. Okay, and then the trigger is just going to be right here. So now we know where we are with the gun. Alright, so here we're going to slant down a little bit and then just draw like a half circle, and then we're going to come down a little bit. I know it's a little bit tricky, but this gun does have a lot of tricky shapes. So from here we're going to draw the grip, so we're just going to come down. Okay, and then I'm going to add in just a little bit of a shape there. And then from here we can draw in, alright, let's draw in some details, so because it does look kind of cool. So I'm just going to draw in 4 of these things on the grip. Alright, so okay, now we can draw in the rest of the gun. So up here, draw a little square there. Okay, and we can put in a couple of lines. These are just, I guess, where the shell comes out. And then now let's roughen the other parts of the gun. So from here, we're going to draw one long line. We can continue this. And it's going to go pretty far out. Okay. So let's move back here. We're going to come in and draw 2 rectangles in here. Okay, we're going to come out a little bit and close it off. And now we're going to slant this all the way up to that line. Okay, it's a little crooked. And then here we're going to continue this, another line there. Okay, so now we can come down here from this line, just come up down to that area. And then we're going to imagine if we're going across like this, how far it would be. So that's how far we're going to drop down to this line. And then here, we're just going to curve it up and then curve it in a little bit. Okay, so it's a little cartoony on this side. And we can draw in a line there. And I know there's some detail, so let's go ahead and draw it in. So here, and then come across. And then follow this angle here. Okay, and then now come straight across here. I'll add in some of this detail, same just like the other grip. And I won't draw too many, just 2 on each side. Okay, so let's finish up the rest of the gun. So let's see, this part's a little bit tricky. So we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna go up. Okay, so it's pretty far up. So now we're gonna go all the way back, right around there. Come in at an angle. Come down, go back out at an angle, and then we're going to go all the way across back up here to the front. I know it's a little bit tricky, but again, this gun is a little bit more complicated. And then for this one, we're going to just come back. So now from this point, we're going to slant it all the way back to this. So just kind of same slant as this one here. Okay. And then we'll just stop there. Let's finish up the front of this gun here first. So here, this is gonna be right in the middle. We're just gonna divide it up. And then here, just draw 2 lines like this at that angle. And then we're gonna connect these. This little opening here. And then we're gonna draw, there's some empty spaces in here. So we're gonna draw 1, 2, and then we're gonna keep going on this side here. So let's see, there's gonna be 3, but it might be a little tight here. So now we're gonna draw in, well, let's add in a little, the side up here, which is easy. So rectangle and then just a smaller one. So from here, now we continue with this line, we can draw in the muzzle, and we're gonna flare it out a little bit, and it's gonna have like a little jaggedy edge, so it's kind of weird. All right, and then here, if we continue this line, extend that out a little bit, close it off, draw another rectangle slightly bigger, and then another one just smaller one. And then let's see, oh, I'm sorry, from here, when you come down, yeah, this is gonna be a totally different color here. All right, so here, and then we could draw in a circle, so this one's easy. So that's pretty much the front. So let's finish up the back on, the stock. So let's see, right here, this point, we're gonna come out straight across, and then we're gonna slant down. Okay, and then here, we're gonna come straight across. We're gonna slant down, and just kind of come out, and we're just gonna meet this area with a slight curve. And then for this one, we're just gonna go all the way back straight across. Okay, and then we're gonna close that off with the same kind of curve. And then let's see the stock here, come out, close it. Okay, so now we can add in some detail from here. Just draw in a couple of slants here. It's gonna be different color. It's gonna be a circle here. And then right in here, there's gonna be a little opening here. So it's almost like a little triangle. It's gonna be open. So now let's add in some detail. So there's gonna be another one here. And this one, yeah, this one's kind of cool. So let's draw a line right here and then curve it around. It gets a little bit thinner right there. That's a pretty cool detail. And then let's see some more bolts. And we can add in this little tubing here. So it's gonna start here. And we're gonna go out, curve it up. And it's gonna curve around and kind of go on top of the gun. So I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. It's easier with a Sharpie. Okay. And let's see, there's some other details. Looks like there's some kind of tapes going on in here. Okay, maybe another line here. Again, I'm just adding some details, so you can actually skip some of this if you want. And looks like there's a little bit of detail here, so we'll draw two lines and just follow the same angle. And that is it for this tactical shotgun, and I know it's a little bit tricky, but it's a very cool looking gun. So hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.